Hey, how y'all doing out there? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and I want to talk to y'all guys today about mail order programs and how they can make a lot of money coming to your mailbox sometime every single day, but that's going to depend on your work ethic and how much you market and get the word out there. Like this program right here, the Premier Income System 5. You will make $500 every time somebody join this program. And I mean, this thing converts like anything you've ever seen. You know, if you get two of these in a week, that's $1,000 a week just like that. This program can really change your life. And like you say, I mean, like it says, I mean, right here, this will be the program for 2017, 18, and beyond. I believe you can make money with this program for the next 30 years. You know what I'm saying? Long as the monitor around, which I believe he will be because I know the guy personally. And I mean, you're gonna save $1,500 by joining me. And then you're gonna get the Premier Income Systems 4, 3, 2, and 1. With the Premier Income System 5, you make $500 payments. With the 4, you make $250. The 3, you make $100 payments. The 2, you make $50 payments, and 1, you make $25 payments. Either by money order, cashier's check, or cash straight to your mailbox. But these things are so powerful, and all you gotta do is get your downline to mail on a consistent weekly basis or every other day basis or every day or whatever they budget allows, but you have to stay consistent to build a powerful mail order team. It's about duplication, getting your downline to commit to mailing flyers every single week. But this program right here, you see how beautifully designed it is. And like I say, when you join me, I got 3 free spaces on my flyer, so you'll save $1,500. You know, just mail me 500 and you mail the monitor 500. And not only that, not only you gonna save the $1,500, you're gonna get the Premier Income Systems 4, 3, 2, and 1. So it's definitely something you want to get involved in. This program is it's almost a year and a half old. It's getting close to being about a year and a half old. I mean, it's converting, but it's still not as popular yet as some of the other mail order programs I'm in, but it is really getting there. And this thing really does convert. So, like I say, you saving $1,500, and then you're gonna get all the other ones. You just mail out and get your downline to do the same thing once people join you. So, that being said, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on that notification button. I'm gonna put the link to my blog. That's 3 months old that I recently started. When you get to my blog, you want to click on the mail order programs tab and you will see all that I have to offer. And make sure you check out that hot stamp programs over there. I got 2. One where you get 2 books of stamps for each sign up, and the other one where you get 5 books of stamps for each sign up. And those things are smoking hot right now. It's something about that stamp program that people just, I don't know what it is, but it's on fire. And see, that'll help you with your mailing once you get that going. So to me, the stamp program is a must join because the biggest complaint I hear about mail order, it ain't buying the leads and the envelopes, it's the postage. And so when you get to my blog, I'm gonna put the link below this video. You check out those 2 stamp programs I got. I'm telling you, they red hot on fire. And like I say, You join the Premier Income System 5, you'll be making $500 payments. Then you're going to get the Premier Income Systems 4, 3, 2, and 1 for free. And you're going to save $1,500. So it's only going to cost you $1,000 to get involved. And you're going to get all the other programs. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I've been doing this like 11 years now. And even researching years and years before that. So I'm always going to have updates and new content to this channel. So subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and y'all have a wonderful day. And remember, nothing happens if you do not take action. Bye.